If your classic car or truck uses the old school 5x7 glass sealed beam headlights and you're looking for an upgrade, or you're concerned about driving at night because your old headlights just aren't bright enough, you got to look into the brand new Holley RetroBright LED headlights. They look period correct. Believe it or not, this is an LED headlight. These are your stock sealed beams. But these ones are way brighter than what you have now. Here you can see just how good of an upgrade the new LED headlights are. The new LED sealed beam headlights are on the top, and they are 141% brighter than what you have now pictured on the bottom. Not only are these headlights way brighter than what you have on your car right now, the width of the LED beam pattern is insane. Even if they were the same brightness, this beam pattern alone, being able to see the ditches when you're driving at night, will add tons of safety and comfort to your favorite car every time you take it out at night. When we go to high beam, you can see that the beam pattern again is way better than stock, coming in at 43% brighter than what you have now. The cool thing is, the Holley LED RetroBright headlights come in two different colors. When you're buying them on the website, you can choose either a 3000K warm halogen color, like what you see here, or you can jump up to these, the modern white 5700K color headlights. These ones are even brighter than the other ones. This brighter white color is 175% brighter than your stock sealed beams on low beam, and 71% brighter than your stock sealed beams on high beam. No matter what you pick, these are a huge upgrade. It just depends on your choice of color. And the cool thing is, if you change your mind down the road, you can swap out the modules. You can put the 5700K module in a 3000K headlight. They're totally interchangeable with just two little Allen screws. If you want period correct looking LED headlights on your car or truck, these are really the only option, because everything else out there looks like it belongs on a spaceship. And a lot of those 5x7 LED headlights that you find on Amazon that look strange, we've actually tested them, and they're less bright than your stock sealed beams. In this test, it's even more conclusive because these are brand new Sylvania headlights. Chances are you're not running around with brand new sealed beam headlights, or if you are, maybe they're mismatched. You bought one new one last year, you bought a different new one 5 years ago, and so you got different beam pattern levels. This is as good as a sealed beam headlight possibly could be. We got the name brand, not the knockoff. They're brand new, never installed, and the Holley RetroBright LED headlights still blow them out of the water. You retain that period correct look. They're super easy to install without any modifications at all, and you've got those two color options. On the back of the headlight, you've got this red module that's held in with two Allen screws, and then around the base of it, it says Holley Morimoto 9 to 18 volt LED 3000K 25 watt DOT. That tells you pretty much everything you need to know about the specs of this headlight. On the front of the headlight, there's really not a whole lot of difference between the original glass sealed beam and the Holley RetroBright, except for that Holley logo smack dab in the middle. I don't know about you, but on my classic car, having the Holley logo on the headlight is probably the coolest thing that you could get in terms of a lighting upgrade. And when you turn the headlights around and you think about installing them, the install is exactly the same as stock. You have the exact same alignment tabs, you have the exact same mounting lip, and when it comes to wiring, the Holley headlights are totally plug and play. As you can see on the original glass sealed beam, it has 3 metal contacts sticking out the back, and the Holley headlight has the exact same type of thing, but this time installed in a wire harness. As you can see, the connection is identical. Simply remove the retainer that holds your stock headlight in place. It's usually 2, 3, or 4 screws, and the whole headlight just comes out and you unplug it. At that point, you plug in the new Holley headlight, tuck in the wiring, seat the headlight, and put your original retainer over to keep it in place. That's it, you're done. Now you can enjoy better, safer driving and classic looks all the time. Now keep in mind, this isn't the only headlight from the Holley RetroBright lineup. There's also a 7-inch round, a 4x6 rectangle, a 5 3/4-inch round. Every kind of headlight that fits any kind of classic car or truck is available from the product line. So go check out the other videos and you'll see for yourself. Or maybe your friend has a classic car. You gotta share this video with them so they don't make the same mistake a lot of people do buying inferior products. You can get these headlights and more at headlightrevolution.com. Simply put in your year, make, and model, and we'll show you exactly what fits your classic car or truck.